Welcome to my class on mensuration for class 8 and 9. Students, you can see the question number 2. A rectangle is 16 meter by 9 meter. That means the length is 16 meter and width is 9 meter. So we need to find a side of the square whose area is equal to the area of the rectangle. This is the first part of the question. The second part is, by how much does the perimeter of the rectangle exceeds the perimeter of the square? So there is two part in this question. The first part is we need to find a square uh, so that the area of the rectangle and the square should be same. Okay, so so here I have drawn a rectangle of side AB and CD which is visible on the screen. ABCD is the rectangle. Let the length AB is 16 meter as it is seen, and the side BC is 9 meter. So a rectangle is a figure in which the length of two sides, that means the length of AB and DC are same, and the width, that is AD and BC, is equal. So the area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So by the formula of the rectangle, area of the rectangle is L into B. So now length is given 16 meter, so I have written it 16 meter here, and the width is 9 meter. So this is 9 meter. So 16 into 9 is 144 square meter. The unit of area is square meter, or maybe square centimeter. Not maybe. If the side length is given in centimeter, you should use the word for area square centimeter, and if the length is given in meters, you should use square meter as unit of area. Now, so 144 is the uh, area of the rectangle. So this is the area of the rectangle. Now I need to find the side of the square having the same area, that is 144. So I have assumed the length of side, because a square is a figure with equal sides. All the sides of a square is equal, so let this be square, and I have assumed x is the length of a side. So all the length is of length x meters. So the area of the square is x square centimeter, because side into side, that is x square centimeter. This is the length of the area of the square, x square meter. So we will equate the area of the rectangle, because in the question it is said that both have the same area. So area of square is x square should be equal to the area of the rectangle, that is 144 square meter. So calculating x, that is we need to find the square root. So we will get x as equal to x is equal to 12 meter. So this is the length of a side of the square. So this is the length of the square calculated, 12 meter. Okay, so all sides of the rectangle is of 12 meter. This is also 12 meter, this is also 12 meter, and this is 12 meter. So in the second part of the question, we are asked by how much the perimeter of rectangle is more than the perimeter of square. So here we have calculated the side of the square is 12 meter. Now second part of the question says perimeter of the rectangle. So we need to find the perimeter of the rectangle. By formula it is, see, in rectangle we have two lengths and two breadths. So 2 multiplied by L plus B, or you can write it as 2L plus 2B. Perimeter of square 2L plus 2B, because it has two length and two breadth. So we have have taken 2 common and L plus B inside the bracket. Okay, so this is the perimeter of the rectangle. 2 into 16 is the length and 9 meter is the width of the rectangle, so it is 50 meter. Now we need to find the perimeter of the square, because without calculating the perimeter of the square we cannot find out by how much the perimeter of rectangle is more than that of square. So perimeter of the square is 4 into side, because a square has 4 equal sides, so 4 into 12, because 12 is the length of a side of the square, so 12 4s are 48 meter. Now perimeter of rectangle exceeds, we need to know how much is the rectangle perimeter is bigger than that of the perimeter of the square. So perimeter of the rectangle, that is 50, minus perimeter of the square, that is 48. Subtracting 48 from 50 is equal to 2 meters. So the perimeter of rectangle is 2 meter more than that of the perimeter of the square. So the answer is 2 meter for the second part. And the first part, the answer is the side of square is 12 meter. This is the answer of the first part. This. Okay. So thank you, students. I will come up with more problems in the next lecture. You can find the series